Hi, I'm Asfiya Imran, your interior designer. Let me take you through this kitchen. This kitchen is of 10 by 12 feet size. So there was a wall here we demolished to make the breakfast counter and to make the kitchen look more open and spacious. Moving forward, we have used quad as a countertop and matching dado tiles. We have also given storage units, and there is a hob unit to store the cutlery and thalis. We have also given the lift ups on both the side of the chimney, and we have also used the spice rack to store the spices for the easy access while cooking. Now the interesting part of this kitchen is we have used undermount arrow system. We have given profile light on both the side of the kitchen for the good purpose of lighting on the countertop. Thank you.